All right, good afternoon, team. Had a few folks request three neighbors, walk through for trumpet, so I figured I'd just do this real quick while I had a second. Nothing too hard in this one, guys. It's really the first three notes we ever learned. You just get to play each of them in this exercise and not have it be only one or only two, but in fact all three being used. Okay. Starts off with again our first note, which is in measure one, that concert D. I'm going to call it all trumpet pitches from here. So trumpets, your first measure is your E, 1 and 2. And I went ahead and gave us a few markers to help out with this in the video or the feed above me as well. So we have E, 1 and 2, then you rest for 4 counts. Then measure 3, the note changes, right? It moves from that first line of the staff to the first space. The first space note is not E anymore. It is now your F, first valve. Then we rest again in measure 4, and then measure 5, it moves up again, now to the second line of the staff. That is your G, open, right? And then we get to measure 7. You guys see at measure 7 that it is quarter notes, but hey, they're still, on F, first valve trumpet. So I didn't remark it. Again, you can kind of give yourself the cheat, like, yes, hey, the note in this first space is played 1 first valve for right now, and you can just look back for the answer. If you get here to 7 and panic, well, hey, you look back over here. I already marked that note in the first space. It's a first valve F, okay? I'm going to go ahead and play this one straight through for you. Hopefully it will be beneficial. You can always sit here and play along with me and try and match pitch. Again, bandmate is your friend too. If you're too low, bandmate will show you being too low and will tell you, yeah, you're playing like low A's and low B's when you should be in the E, F, and G range. Should look just like the actual, your band book, right? It should be E on the bottom line of the staff. And if bandmate agrees, you're playing it right, okay? Let's try it. Here we go, straight through from the top. It's going to be 3 neighbors for trumpet. 1, 2, here I go. Rest, and 2, and 3, and 4. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And there you go. So nothing hopefully too troubling about that. Just keeping the air fast and getting the notes to be consistent is the biggest thing to work on here. Hope this helps. Any more questions, let me know. Let me know if you have any requests. Other band members, any certain ones giving you grief, or any ones that you feel like we went through too fast in class and you want just like a slowed down version of, or a more specific talk through of, I'll be glad to provide. Have a great day. Bye, team.